I'm going to show you how easy it is to pre-sprout pole beans and plant them in corn. You may have heard about the Three Sisters planting method where people grow corn, squash, and beans together. It is a good system and I use it often. First consideration is good bean seeds and storage. I keep mine in a mason jar once I buy them. I only plant small batches of corn, so I only sow enough seeds for the corn I will be planting it around. You can soak the seeds for a day or so and then plant directly into the soil without roots showing yet. But I like to either transfer them from the water after a day or so to a wet paper towel in a plastic bag, or put them direct into a wet paper towel in a plastic bag from the very beginning. The wet towel gives the plants a good environment to germinate and get a root going. This gives you faster plants outdoors and a larger percentage of seeds that are likely to grow when planted as rootlings. Then we take the germinated seeds out into a garden to their support system, the corn stalks. Now, since the pole beans are going to use the corn for support, we have to make sure we actually have some strong and developed corn stalks. Don't plant your corn and beans at the same time. The corn should be about a foot tall. That's 1/3 of a meter at least. These corn stalks are getting near 2 feet tall, over a ½ meter tall, and they're just showing signs of tasseling. The corn will be harvested and the corn leaves torn off to give more sun to the beans as the corn is harvested. This also makes it easier to find the beans when you want them. Handle the beans very carefully when the root is exposed. It can snap off easily. It can also be crushed by careless handling. Hold the bean by the bean itself when you must handle it. Do not hold the root. To plant next to corn, hold the bean in your hand like this so it's nestled by your fingers and thumb. Then using those digits, penetrate the mulch and the, hopefully, soft living soil. I like to put 2 or 3 beans by each corn plant. You'll notice that I have potatoes planted between the corn. Corn is a good companion plant to many plants that are near the ground and that can do with some shade. And with vining plants that can use a corn stalk as a trellis. The beans can grow a type of bacteria that live in association with the plant roots, giving nutrients to the plant in return for the sugars the plant can make, but the bacteria cannot. For this reason, people acknowledge the fertility that legumes such as beans and peas give to the soil. Hit the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. See ya!